Now start with second part, chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. Second part, first topic is cyclotron. In cyclotron is a device used to accelerate positive charge particles. Means cyclotron device जो accelerate करता है positive charge particles such as proton, neutron, etc. Here we have a figure of cyclotron. In principle, a positively charged particle can be accelerated through moderate E electric field by crossing it again and again by the use of strong magnetic field. We have two Ds, D1 and D2. South pole, north pole. Here we have shows deflection. Here two Ds and the direction of B and E. Now radius of circular path R is equals to mv by bq. Cyclotron frequency V is equals to b cube divided by 2 pi m, and maximum kinetic energy gained by the particle is b square q square r square r naught square divided by 2m, where r naught is maximum radius of circular path. Here positive ions accelerated by the cyclotron, it moves with greater and greater speed. पॉजिटिव आयंस के साथ साइक्लोट्रॉन क्या मूव होगा विथ ग्रेटर एंड ग्रेटर स्पीड. एज द स्पीड ऑफ आयंस बिकम कंपेरेबल विद द लाइट, द मास ऑफ द आयंस इंक्रीजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिलेशन. Limitations are cyclotron cannot accelerate uncharged particles. Uncharged particles like neutron, force between two infinitely long parallel current carrying conductor. Here we have F equals to mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 divided by R into L. Force is attractive if force attractive कब होगा जब current in both direction in same direction, and repulsive कब होगा when in opposite direction. Biot-Savart's law. In Biot-Savart's law, the magnetic field produced by current carrying element of length dl. लेंथ क्या होगी dl, कैरिंग I एट पॉइंट सेपरेटेड बाय डिस्टेंस r. ये डिस्टेंस r हमारे पास इज द db इज इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट बाय 2 पाई I dl इंटू r डिवाइडेड बाय r क्यूब वेक्टर. नाउ म्यू नॉट बाय 4 पाई की वैल्यू क्यों आती है 10 टू पावर माइनस 7 t m डिवाइडेड बाय a. Mod dB equals to mu naught by 4 pi ideal sine theta r square, where theta is angle between the direction of current. Theta is the angle of direction of current. Now magnetic field on the axis of a current carrying circular coil. Here we have circular coil, current I O, distance is r, capital R. Here distance is small r, angle theta dB, dB perpendicular point P, dBx and direction of B. Here to calculate net magnetic field we integrate only x component. हम इसमें क्या करेंगे only x component को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे of magnetic field produced by elementary particles. Thus dBx equals to integration mu naught by 4 pi I dl divided by x square plus r square cos theta. X square r square cos theta. Now cos theta equals to, cos theta क्या होता है कैपिटल R डिवाइडेड बाय x square plus r square raised to the power half. So B equals to dBx equals to mu naught IR divided by 4 pi x square plus r square. पावर क्या हो जाएगी 3/2 हो जाएगी, 1/2 एंड ये हाफ, सो 3/2 इंटीग्रेशन 2 pi r dl. Now here B equals to mu naught IR square divided by 2 common x square plus r square 3/2. In vector form B vector equals to mu naught I r square divided by 2x square plus r square 3 by 2 I. So in special case of a result, we obtain field at the center of the loop, hence x is equals to 0, we get B naught equals to mu naught I divided by 2r I vector. The magnetic field lines due to circular wire from closed loop, figure shown like circular loop, we have two circular loops, and here it shows for circular loop, direction is here, and the direction is thumb. Direction of the magnetic field is given by another right hand thumb stated. Direction क्या होगी? Direction of magnetic field given by another right hand thumb rule. And curl of the palm around circular wire with fingers pointed. ये C है, curl of palm shows the fingers pointing the direction of current. थंब क्या शो कर रहा है? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, एंड पाल्म क्या कर रही है? डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट.